Good morning, y'all. Back with another video because TikTok want to get banned. I've been on here though. I'm not no refugee. Like, I've been on here. I've been doing my stuff on here. So I'm not like everybody else just hopping on a bandwagon. Okay, hey, you just finding out about me. Anyway, today I have a photo shoot and I'm kind of crunched on time because one thing about me, I'm not gonna stop going to church because I got something else going. Like, I'm about to go to church and then book it to my appointment. Because I'm putting God first, I know everything's gonna work out. But first things first, it is 9:07. My appointment's at 3 o'clock, but I don't get out of church till 1. And then I'll still have to like change my church clothes to my actual outfit. Like, and I live in Houston, so I don't live in Houston, but outside of Houston, I'm going to Houston. So, you know, traffic, all that stuff, but we gonna make it work. But today, my makeup, right? My sister's gonna do my makeup for me because I'm doing like this 90s, or not even 90s, like 80s vibes, or 90s or 80s, I don't know, one of them days. I feel like the way my sister does her makeup is like perfect for that, because every time I do my makeup it's kind of light and like, not light, but like literally bright. Like my makeup looks like bright and like pink, like it just looks like that, I don't know. And then hers, it just looks more contoured, more like baddie, like it gives that, and that's what I need to give. So that is what we're gonna be doing. I did kind of just wake her up, so I'm not gonna show you guys like the process because I doubt she wants to be on camera like that. Let me show y'all a couple things before I go. This is the moisturizer I use. Y'all, this moisturizer is too good. Like, I need some more. And then under my eyes, they always look like hecka puffy. I need to get some like a ice thing again and start icing my face like I used to. Moisturizer. I don't really be putting on like a whole bunch of moisturizer, I'm not gonna lie. Like, this moisturizer got a full, like, it's a bang for your buck. Like, honestly, no, it's not. It's like really expensive. It's so good. Like, and then I'm going in with this. This reminds me of the Milk Beauty. When I tell y'all that that's literally like a dupe, it's a dupe. We leave that. She said leave it for 2 minutes. So my eyebrows, honestly, they're not that bad. I cleaned like randomly. I was like, dang, I was mad because I didn't get to get my toes done and my eyebrows done because the shops over here close at 7, and like I did not know that. Like, I just didn't know that. Anyway, so I was like, dang. And so I was like, I'm gonna clean up my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my own eyebrows. But when I actually came to it, I was like, my eyebrows are not even bad. I just like literally cleaned up like a couple hairs right there, and then that was it. So I'm actually happy about that. But my eyebrows, I tend to keep them a little simple. But today, I'm still gonna keep them simple, but I'm gonna be like a little bit more like intentional. I like to use this edge control. This stuff is like really good. I got it from TikTok shop, but the company is called the Frontal Queen. They specialize in like wig products and stuff for hair, I'm pretty sure. I think they do other things as well, but that's how I was introduced to them. But how do y'all actually feel about this band? First of all, we lost like 2 hours. I'm thinking it's about to be at 12. I'm trying to go on TikTok shop, get all my samples real quick, and it just gave me that notification. Like, what the heck? Also, I filmed a video yesterday doing my hair. That video is not coming out because they took CapCut as well, and so at this point I need to find something else to edit on that gives me the same satisfaction, because I'm sorry, I don't want to go back to iMovie. I really don't. The fake hairs. Oh, it's definitely been more than 2 minutes. Sorry about the lighting, y'all. It's my window right in front of me. It's shining bright outside, but let me close that. I'll make sure I get under my eyes because they look a little puffy. Okay, I'm about to ask her to do my makeup. So this is the bare face, and then I'm gonna come back when my makeup's done. Let's spray. It looks good. She went to go get a brush because I didn't have a brush, but We finna be cute. Oh. I'm doing a red lip black liner. Stay tuned so you can see the not results, because I don't think I'm gonna get the results today, but kind of see the vibe later in the video. So update y'all, she's eating the girls up. We eating the girls up. And y'all, my sister, she just turned 18. Like, why couldn't I learn how to do all this? I'm gonna learn how to really get on my makeup stuff, because when I start collaborating, being on other people's cameras, I need to know how to do what I do. Like, you feel me? My sister's about to go to college, so tapping with her. She do hair, lashes, makeup, then nails.
I really do everything.
Like, she do everything. She's one of them ones.
I learned from quarantine.
Quarantine put her on. I was busy making TikToks. Okay guys, so the makeup is done. This is what we're looking like. She absolutely ate. The vibe is supposed to be like 80s type of look. My hair though, we're gonna recurl it when we get back. I just need it like, I just need it, it can just be however it is for church, but like we're gonna recurl it and stuff later. But it looks, honestly, I feel like better this way than what it did when yesterday, because it's like real curl and the curls is like kind of just blowing everywhere. But we're gonna fix the curls and refresh them after church. But this is what I'm looking like. I definitely look like I'm from the 80s, you feel me? I'm about to just get ready for church, and I'm going in with my full face, but then after I'll have on my other clothes. I just wanted like very still me, because like when I got my makeup done for my prom when I won homecoming queen, yeah I did. That was my first time getting my makeup like done real professional, and it was absolutely like too much personally for my face. It looked great, but like I didn't look like myself, like at all, and I didn't like that. Like she had to draw on my mo and everything. Like I didn't like that. Yeah, the pictures are gonna be so good because the idea that I have and that I'm doing is so cute. Comment down below if you guys think this is cute. Also, if you're here right now, comment down below what you think I'm doing. This is a Valentine's Day shoot, so tell me what you think I'm doing, because I'm telling you, you're not gonna guess it. Like I'm not doing the classic, you know, bustier. Like I'm not doing all that. Your girl is a model for real, so we have to be some creativity. Oh yeah, I'm finna eat. Editing Latavia. So literally after I had turned off my camera, I got a text pretty much saying that she wanted to reschedule and everything, and I was a little upset. So yeah, that's what's kind of going on here. Like I actually did get up, about to get dressed and everything, and then that's what happened. So I'm back. Yeah, when I tell you I'm upset, but I'm not upset, but I'm upset. The photographer literally just, I didn't get to keep her other message, but she sent me a thing like, hey, mind you, my appointment's at 3. Oh, they told me last minute I don't want to have to rush our appointment. Can we reschedule for next week or something, because the person who owns the studio or whatever, they're reinventing whatever she's trying to cancel. I said, I just, you know, got my makeup done, my hair done, my lashes done, my nails done, shaved, waxed. Where's the plan? I did. And we trying to reschedule. No, I got everything done for today. No, literally, like, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna come back to y'all when I figure out what I'm gonna do, because this face and hair and all that stuff is not going to go to waste. I'm gonna get my pictures. But if she don't decide to do them today, I'm not working with her. Like, if you're a small creator or something like that and you make plans or you want to collaborate or you want to do stuff and you tell me stuff last minute, as in day of, I don't work with you. Just like brands, when they're last minute stuff, I don't work with you. Cut band, cap cut band. Now people want to play in my face. Like, y'all, let me get dressed.
Yeah, it's that one. It's that one.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should
because y'all, I'm not a brat. I promise I'm not a brat. I don't think everything has to go my way. Like, I'm not like that at all. It's just I really prioritize like my time, especially when I'm working with someone. Like, I'm really good with communicating, so I always like another person to be good at communicating. Obviously, you see I got my pictures taken because we came up like with a plan, but honestly, it was not her fault. It was just like the situation she was put in that made it like that. So it's not her fault. It's just at the end of the day, like I still just feel some type of way a little bit, but like it wasn't her fault. But we still got it done. I just didn't have like as long as a session. Me and another creator like combined it, our session, so she did 30 minutes for her, 30 minutes for me. But like we got everything done, but I was going in there with 2 outfits, and so I only got to do 1, which is fine because like we could reschedule, but like I wasn't about to do all this, like no. And she was very sweet, very nice and all that, but I only got to do 1 outfit. So you know me, I came home and I was like, I'm gonna take my pictures at home for my next outfit, which is what I did. And if you're seeing this, it's already up on Instagram and it's bomb. But that's kind of like the backstory of that. People in Houston, not talking about her, but like a lot of people in Houston, like they be playing like around or like just very unprofessional. And she was good with communicating. It's just, you know, things just wasn't going right at first. And so yeah, I just want to clear that up. Hey guys, so I know my hair looks crazy because like the wind and everything, but just know my pictures look really good, really cute, and it gives the 80s vibe that I want. But I'm back at home, and what I told y'all earlier, like I got the pictures done by the girl, so it's great. I'm gonna tag her, everything was really cool, but we had to just not rush because she didn't make me feel rushed, but we had to, I didn't get to do my outfit change because I had 2 outfits. So I really like the next outfit I wanted to do, so I'm gonna do it myself at home. Okay, this is what an entrepreneur does. This is what a content creator does. When they want something, you gotta do it yourself, okay? So I'm going to try to do the pictures myself. It's a Diddy bar. So guys, I'm trying to set up a little bit. I'm in this corner of my room, my house, and I have this white wall, okay? See the vision. Anyway, the ground is carpet. It's not wood or nothing. So I was like, let me get this random white sheet. It got stains. I got this random white sheet that, you know, so I can just put it there because I can like edit it to be the type of white that I want. So guys, this is exactly how I decided to take the pictures. I needed a blank wall, and just in case the floor showed, I didn't want the carpet to show. So I used a plain sheet. Anyway, I didn't even need that, but it doesn't matter. I'm just telling you guys, you don't need someone to take your pictures for you. If you want to get something done, if you say you want to be a content creator, you want to do this, you want to do that, you can do it. Y'all, do you see the pictures? I could do this with my phone as well. I have a camera, so I just use it. But it's the fact that I'm in the corner of the room getting bomb pictures. And like I said, they're up on Instagram. But yeah, you don't need anyone to take your pictures. Stop using that as an excuse why you can't film content, why you can't do this, why you can't do that. Because what? And then I was like, you know what? I really want to do like a chair look. And I was like, wait, we got this desk chair. It gives, you know, corporate office. So I was like, let me see. I didn't even know what this is going to look like. But it came out so cute. It was definitely fun, and this was all in a process of less than 20 minutes. I promise you. So yeah, that's how I took my Instagram photos at home. That's how I do it. It's very simple, and you can do it too. Okay, y'all, the quality might be a little different, but I'm using my phone. Y'all, I am a baddie, and when I say baddie, I'm not even talking about how I look. I'm talking about the way I get things done. Like when I have an idea or I want to get something done, I'm gonna get it done by any means. Y'all, look at these pictures, unedited, raw, everything. This is just straight from my camera. It just came. Hold on, because y'all watched me take these. These were dark at first, but like they're still cute. So I brightened them up, or I didn't brighten them up, but what is it called? I had turned my flash on. Oop, this is when I had turned my flash on. Like, bro, are these not cute? Okay, the picture one, the ones on the chair, I'm probably going to zoom them in where it's like more into my face. Oop. But like, it's giving. Like, it's really cute. So I'm really gonna try to edit this tonight. So if you're seeing this video, the pictures are posted on my Instagram. Please go support your girl. I love you guys. Quick question, should my caption be corporate baddie or should it be business casual? Like what y'all feeling? Y'all saw me get it done. That's how I take my Instagram pictures. Like I just take them. Like I bring the face, I bring the body, I just stand in front of the camera, you feel me? Like, you don't need nobody taking pictures. Like, that's why people be like, oh no, I want to do this, but I need that, and I need somebody. You just see what I did? I grabbed a sheet. Get like me. Hey, hey, hey. But, yeah, also, guys, y'all want to see a sneak peek of... Oh, wait, I can't even show y'all a sneak peek. Stay tuned for the photo shoot pictures I took. She sent me one, and it's so cute, y'all. I absolutely... ate, and she absolutely ate. Like everybody ate. It's so cute. I'm posting those on February 15th. Is that Valentine's Day? I don't know, but I'm posting those pictures on Valentine's Day and they're so cute. But yeah, guys, I think that's the end of this video. I'm about to figure out how I want to post those pictures and post them, so please go show some love. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I really don't know what to call it, but I love you guys. Y'all gonna be seeing a lot more of me. I've been posting every day except for yesterday. I don't even know how I'm gonna edit this video. Honestly, I need to figure that out as well. But I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.